ready. This is what we do at Kelsey's Steak. Oh, if you're ever looking for the Jerry, not the just ever at the hop to the candy butter case. Oh, yay! It's really fun. You want to try some?
We're trying to get Max to bark. So much you.
I think that's cruelty to animals. My little sister is getting married on Saturday. I'm so excited. Hey, Kelty, thanks for inviting me to this party. It's really, really fun. Hi, Derek. This is Mom calling. Just leaving you a quick message.
It's like, do this.
My daughter's, no? Your daughter's not? Are you sucking it in?
No, I am.
Hey, Kelsey. We love you. You can still get out of it. You did it already?
No. Suck Watson.
Yeah, suck it off.
This has been the best party ever, and I'm so happy you're getting married. I just love the party. And it's really pink.
Oh yeah, he will.
He has moments to
Hi, Kelsey. Hi, Kelsey. Thanks for the great party. I'm so excited for Saturday.
Suck it in.
This is the best day yet ever. This is so much fun. Thanks everybody for coming. Woo! Jamie, we miss you.
What? You gotta get Grandma on there.
No. Suck some more.
Baby, I don't think Austria is in comparison to being here tonight. 80s and helium sucking. You are totally missing out. Now when you come back, we'll recap all of the events, including this. So just wait for